ND fellas now Koryoo finally wakasa. I'm a Captain Koryoo Smart. Eso akasa. Efa press statement here. Interior Minister Honorable Muntaka Mohammed. Edeba ina se ebe expose Captain Smart. Ene, fellas now Koryoo. Efa Hawa Koomson and throw make your fan hono. Finally, Captain Smart and now Koryoo so abekasa. Hey, na mema nchiribu no achire wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media. Me so say need you. Over like video no under my boss subscribers and snap back in the notification and no latest updates. Snap back to the wide join their mama ewo comment section. Me so baso. No one shave off any be ashe. 2024 election no 7th December, the night of the election. And it was supposed to be a go viral. It will Facebook. I say fellas now Koryoo, the then parliamentary candidate for Awuti Senior East constituency on the ticket of NDC. Fellas now Koryoo. O make you out to them say Hawa Koomson. And in the boys air tries to go make or no. Fellas now Koryoo. Ama as it stands now no. Oma born agent me no oma bomu to ekuwo mu o make post way e go Facebook and I was even shocked say asem no attack and killing and nim say issue be happen na killing e wo mu a nipa kron the photograph of the dead bodies but first now Koryoo entimi and supporting an argument with any photograph but o make this plain post on social media. Any point claims for Bomutu, when time for Mudi and Tudor, when time for pictures be a but opposing raw tra. Emma Ghana for EGD, Emma almost because of that. No, that night na Anna Captain Koryoo Smart, also that time, also no, or you pro NDC member, Anna obey anti MPP journalist, there's not all time MP for pay. It will tell us if there's now Koryoo, I'm making that post. No, now Captain Smart, you're so interested into there's now Koryoo interview. When you show that night na election command center that night na or an interview so hono and omudi enkomo we ebaye
pacho bisa na Koryoo ma me say na wo ba na cars ne dodo ye say de na ne cars
so on kapa
bisa say na ne cars ne ye say cars na omode kofi de na ye say
honorable oba na cars ne ye say na de etuo ne kan ye no de eno na wutimu bi no
etuo ne kan ye no me official mahindra na me use no party kan no eno na me timu bi no eno so ana etuo no e kan ye
enti wo mo etuo ne kan wo mo na wo mo ete kan na chi no mo te front na hefa no mo
wo ti echi no mo te me kan na chi ene etuo ne kan mo
kan na chi say echira enye say echira obi a ehu but kan na chi awiatum
I kan na chi pick up say pick up mahindra pick up it's almost a kan na chi
ene na wo te hefa
the back
see me question ye ne busa ne mame cars na ye dodo say baako ena ono awom bi dem rantie ne wachire ana say cars na ye dodo say
kan na ye mienu baako edi anim ena baako edi achire.
That's right.
Yeah.
The idea anim na the idea achire na etuo kan
the idea achire no
eti car no Land Cruiser black no e cross wo de na say be share montem
e ba ye di mechanic no mo start some fire
wo car na say de di wo car na chi no
there be me a mechanic
okay
me a mechanic
patro na when I will drive it
patro there be
okay
na me driver na na car no
all right mo wo car na mo yes na team
na yeah 6 na na car nim
okay na patro what two gunshot not a bed do be say
yet say two be 3
bed do be 3 okay
yeah
enti wo mo tutu no wie no wo mo di mo achi be sam ho koya na so mo dane wo mo ho
patro mo dane wo mo ho koye
all right ekuya ne nto aso
okay eti honorable say saying anamo babe na mutu asat enumre ya we say yakosu
your friend police farmer omo aba say ama ya kasa bodies no
she was not
omo befa eko na ya kekra police money escorted me car with the body and omo te call your friends say me ni baby omo dey call because I didn't go with them na the person make a check party for in say ma omo shwe they should start jubilating because we have won the elections hands down. Omo ma enije na protection no. Omo ma emu enye. They cannot steal this victory away from us. Hawa Koomson has lost the election. Kaswa is green.
Enti captain I would to say is Felix na Koryoo fie and I decide interview ye fra ye dia bre ya hwefo.
Nurse, Captain Smart will be one of the instruments ya omu able to promote that information. Emma doing echo say, anger ever Ghana phone. Emma because of that crowd, even if Hawa Koomson hot tie, Emma you have black man of election. Did even be planning Mukoya Hawa Koomson or Babesion will count from Titian eyes na as if me na any enya. Now, say they say as Etiano, you see, let's give some time to expose time. Nansiamu ana Interior Minister Honorable Muntaka Mohammed form some task force bi as omnye nhwemu efa 204 election violences are course no carry out investigation on for report say obetimi a carry on na the prosecution be mo yetimi a put nipa ni bi through court any ade but investigation course no ana omkobusa Felix na akoyi say ni omla me support argument no asem de ba case no omra me defend omra me support omeboa investigation Felix enkoyi tumu a onko bia no gaka so chirem say asem no bibia ensi how was it chirem tell Captain Smart ese Mahindra pickup na otimu bi ana Hawa Koomson any boys e bia attack no edum tutu tumu ani boys me ewu ye no now was it o chirem say pickup no na ontim.
So 2024 election violence cases, starting with Ewutu Senya East constituency, that's Kaswa. The task force observed that the Honorable Phyllis now Koryoo Okeno denied that her convoy was attacked. She was nowhere near the scene of the incident. Persons who were involved in the incident have avoided speaking with the task force, while Muhammad Ali and others who were in the Mahindra pickup truck and fired shots from their vehicle have also avoided speaking with the task force. So their opinion have not been established. Muhammad Ali is said to have been flown abroad for further treatment. The late Yusuf Larry Idris died from a gunshot, and those who were in the Mahindra pickup with him know what happened. The driver of the Mahindra has been traced, and further investigation is ongoing. The task force will continue with the investigation. Tolong
Ever media after say information pop up no. Ghana phone bu fu pa e ma na omo komadwen e kire maame. Na we sia enra ana Felix na akoye. Ebe ye press conference Oba no she was in a hurry. Papa e no betina ase. Oba no as akura be ready as a primary school and as a JHS student here. Be ready manifesto. Na obia emusa ne question. Obe my information as obe my announcement. Obe tena ase a e no de ne docket o se ndem de wa twere no ebe tu ne e no tena ase ne ebusia already tire Ghana for where owie ye wa mo bia emusa ne question e no so le ko ye.
I am here today to address some matters arising from the interview and a report submitted by the task force commissioned by the President to investigate election violence from 2020 to 2024 in Ghana to the Honorable Minister of Interior and National Security. I have remained quiet despite calls by well-meaning Ghanaians, including my constituents, who witnessed these brutal attacks. At no time did I say no attack happened. I stated emphatically to the task force that on election day during my rounds, I noticed my convoy was being followed by a V8 vehicle, allegedly known to be used by Hawa Koomson and a Nadmo pickup, which had a green government number plate. After visiting some polling stations, I decided to go home because I felt my life was in danger. So I am convinced that at the conclusion of this investigation, the truer facts will emerge. On the issue of unwillingness of persons who witnessed these acts to testify, this is entirely out of my control. There are videos to some of these attacks, and these are available for the committee to aid their work. Friends of the media, does the unwillingness to eyewitness and victims to testify mean these documented acts of violence didn't happen? Even if there is records of loss of life and injuries, I would have waited for the investigations to conclude before speaking. But I cannot keep quiet over an inconclusive report, as clearly stated by our Honorable Minister for Interior during his press briefing. And officially, I have not given my written statement to the police, yet due to the ill treatment during the 2020 election violence. Therefore, statements on the media are inaccurate and not mine. Let me end by saying that as the sitting member of the good people of Ewutu Penyah East constituency, I consider myself a mother for all. I have therefore encouraged reconciliation and unity amongst all the rank and file of the party. And I would encourage the task force to stick to exactly what I told them for fairness and prosperity.
Fellas, now go guys here kwasiafo. Fellas, o guys here nyimeji wo. O guys here kwasiafo. Enti now Interior Minister Muntaka Mohammed. Any fellas now koyo hwan e na e ka nakure. Na on say asem no be na Captain Swan so ehun bo nwo mu. Na Captain Swan so wey any nsem a owo e ka.
Monya presenters o. Monya ministers. If you don't know, I am telling you today. You see, a presenter can present anything to tally. But if you were a minister, you must be able to have a mini part of it that would tally with all. Therefore, minister. When you're presenter, when you're ministers. It's a mini new year. Be kitwa be mini. Adiketwa. Dear akakrakana nkrofo kan na chire no. Wo na wotweden kitten mini. Ne kekase ani. Na wa manatimi atale. It's in every minister, every ministry. There were agencies and departments. Ewo minister na say. Me be say mbusa say sa mo minister na mfa Muntaka no. Eti obeye sa press conference no. When we say na Koryoo. Ana ya trouble committee bi ya trouble unti. Ya trouble unti kan. Say na Koryoo so ye MP. What the Muntaka say ya born this so ye minister no to nche onu so ye MP. Aba be trouble unti say enye no kure da. So ka che committee bi ya enye no kure da. So ka che ministry bi ya enye no kure da. So Koryoo said the convoy was not attacked on the 7th of December. So the Muntaka be kai no dey na Koryoo ka no. Why the ever ya do mama me Koryoo plane. Ade be say waban we. A lack of communication strategy. Hwe men kai enu no me wosere mu yawo. When ya na ekwa akura kwan bone so how he was, was not good at all. But you know what happened? Kwabena Japan at that time, no presidential press secretary, Nesro de Aoka, Al-Hassan Yakubu, no interior minister as of that time, or Rebuni, Nesro de Aoka. That time the national security coordinator, na Esro de Aoka, na Esro J. Ekufuana Nkasanso, briefing ayedi amano, etidie na ononso Aoka. Sometimes you think that the president will not be listening. So you will tell him what he wants to hear. And then you go to the public to tell the public what they need to hear. But President Bien Anopa, both are conflict. with what the president said, with what ministers and other government functionaries aka. Eti Muntaka to ono. Eti na onimda. Say you MPB or parliament your friend na Koryoo. If not for anything, nah, bruh. Read this. What do you think about it? I mean, the committee is saying A, B, C, D, Z. You know, so eti say ye kwa baby ko kasem. Not those who are supposed to testify refuse to testify.
Must you
Come out
no
to say this? Because one, I can be under duress. Eti na men testify. Obi betwe so bikokum. Obi betwe so afia eminim with cash. He yetuwe ye nipa. Sika bi wo ho awani kopie so na se nyame anya wadom a wo ye bema obema gina so abedo. Se what was say ya wutie mi yen. Wo ho achewa ma odeka 10,000 Ghana cedis, 10 million, 1,000 Ghana. Na wo ba afia ha, na afia tago ebie nika. O se masoda ese ye wa. Enti se ya wutie no. Me wo 50,500 million kofako. Then na beton.
Is the first now could make it that press statement and or make it that interview and run. I didn't want to pin up for question. One pin up because all ban run the crown made a make or the names of the alleged dead bodies, no, alleged dead people, no, or don't think about it to that. And I say, or the photograph, being video, be a betraman sign. A press conference, wow. I don't make you, we are my kind, I will be able to answer the question. I don't there, papam, or Connie baby. Fellas, I'm a Ghana from A with that question say, Muntaka Mohammed, Interior Minister, any fellas now call you. Why and a can cry. Muntaka Bekasa was sick, fellas, I just to say, Bibiasa NC, but fellas, as I be them say, the Muntaka man air cannon, a yantro. Omumino, why not air cannon cry? To the wide mammy, comment section. I Penyah Block Media, Accra.